Czinger has released full specifications of its 2.88-liter, flat-plane crank, 80-degree bank angle V8. With twin 73mm turbos, and an 11,000 RPM redline, the impressive in-house developed engine has a 84x65mm bore X-stroke, 9.5:1 compression ratio, has 4 valves per cylinder and full flex fuel capability. Combining this internal combustion engine with advanced axial flux motors producing up to 370 Nm and 150 kilowatts of peak torque and power means the Czinger 21C's total powertrain achieves a total output of 1,250 HP, 1,233 bhp, capable of an 8.1-second quarter mile, 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in 1.9 seconds, 0 to 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, to 0 in 15 seconds and 0 to 248 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour, to 0 in 29 seconds. At 329 HP, 324 bhp, per liter, Cinger's priorities are clear: maximize power to weight and power efficiency.